I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Mario Kart app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, and you just click here on settings. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on apps, then you come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Mario Kart app, or just click on search, then here add the Mario Kart app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is here, click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down here, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.